Good morning friends, welcome to CR Guru YouTube classes. Okay, today my topic is classification. So what is the definition of classification? So actually here 4 items are given. From that 3 are from the same category and one of the item is different category. So that is called as odd one out. For example, C, C++, and Java, Oracle. So actually C, C++, Java, these are called as computer languages. But Oracle is not in the computer language. So these 3 from same category, Oracle is different category. So that odd one out is Oracle. So to finding the odd one out is Oracle. So is in the form of classification. Okay. ఇది మనకి క్లాసిఫికేషన్ లో వస్తుంది. క్లియర్ అండి? సో నెక్స్ట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ క్లాసిఫికేషన్స్. దేర్ ఆర్ 4 types of classifications will be. So first classification is number classification, letter classification, all alphabet classification. Next word classification and figure classification. Suppose if it is number classification, so number classification. So number classification means here numbers are involving numbers, involving letters, involving words, involving figures. For example, if it is on the number classification, example 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. So in the number classification, so here 4 numbers are given. Out of 4, 3 from one category. Means here 2, 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7 are called as odd primes. And only for 2 is nothing but here even prime. 2 is nothing but even prime. So that's the odd one out is 2. So that is example for number classification. Numbers are involving the particular classification. So next letter classification example is A, B, C, D. Once you observe here, A, B, C, D are called as consonants and A is called as vowel. B, C, D are as consonants and A is vowel. That's why answer is A. Odd one out is A from the letter classification. So similarly, if it is in the word classification, suppose if it is Mercury, okay, Jupiter, next Moon, next Saturn. So once you observe this, Mercury, Jupiter, Moon, Saturn means here Mercury, Jupiter and Saturn. So these are called as planets, and again Moon is called as satellite. Okay, so the Moon is a different one. So that's why that is example for word classification. So next figure classification means figures are involving 4 figures are given. So the out of 4 figures, any one figure is different from the other. So you need to find out. So that is a figure classification. So next suppose what are the types of classifications they asked means, for example, methods. So first one is, suppose if it is numbers means natural numbers, similarly even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers, squares and cubes. So these method of sums they need to ask. Okay, suppose if it is numbers, First of all, in the numbers, what is the example? For example, here 2, 3, otherwise 2, 4, 6, 11. So now in this numbers, this is the example. Here 2, 4, 6 are called as even digits, and again here 11 is called as odd digits. So that is the example. So similarly, if it is in this even, odd, and again also in the same method, suppose if it is prime means suppose if it is 3, 2, 3, 5, 9 will be given. So this 2, 3, 5 are called as primes, and again 9 is called as odd one out. But in the squares, what are the methods they need to ask me? Suppose if it is n square minus 1 relation, n square plus 1 relation, n square minus n relation, and n square plus n relation is 1. Suppose if it is n cube minus 1 relation, n cube plus 1 relation, n cube minus n relation, n cube plus n relation. Suppose if it is n cube plus n square relation, n cube minus n square relation. One more thing, n square plus n by 2 relation, n square minus n by 2 relation. Suppose if it is n cube plus n square by 2 relation, n cube minus n square by 2 relation, and so on. So these type of relations, the squares and cubes methods, they need to ask. So next further alphabet classification also, but alphabets are given. So one example. So for letter classification, so actually here ABD, the group of letters are given. Group of letters in this, out of 4 items, 3 from same category, 1 is from different category. What you need to observe. So first give numbering A1, B2, D4, E5, F6, H8, I9, J10, L12, M13, N14, O15. So here in this both 2 plus 1 relation, here both 2, here plus 1 plus 2, plus 1 plus 2, here plus 1 and plus 2 relation, here plus 1 and plus 1 relation will be. So now here all are plus 1 plus 2 relation. Here M and O is called as plus 1 relation. M and O is called as plus 1 relation. So this is letter classification. Next, word classification. Already I told you one example. Suppose if it is moon and Jupiter, Mercury, Venus, something planets are given. So 3 from same category planets, but moon is different. So that are the examples for already a word classification. See some examples. First example is BC 25, AB 9, CD 121, DC 49. Suppose if it is BC 25, what is the relation? Means B is 2 and C is 3. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. 5 square is nothing but 25. Suppose if it is A1, B2, 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3. 3 square is nothing but 9. Suppose if it is C is 3, D is 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 square is nothing but 49 I want, but here 121 will be there. Maybe it is wrong. Once you check this fourth one, D4 and C3. 4 plus 3 is nothing but 7. 7 square is nothing but 41. So that's why odd one out is third option. And the next AEI, EIO, IOU, OVE. Suppose if it is consider one circle. Okay. So consider one circle. But in the particular circle here A, E, I, O, U. So what are the order? Suppose first of all AEI. So in the particular order will be AEI. So next again similarly EIO will be there. Next to IOU will be there. Okay, IOU. Next IOU is nothing but OUA I want, but OVE means this is different category. That fourth option is the correct. So similarly, next third one, skin, tongue, nose, eyes. So now here see skin, tongue, nose. These are called as sense organs. But except eyes. So that eyes is the. So next fourth one is here binary series values are given. Binary means what I said, 0 and 1 are numbers are involving binary. Okay, so now in that, if it is this binary values are converting into numerical values, what is the pattern? So those from 3 from one category and 1 is a different category, first you need to observe. So first of all, 1000 will be there, means that binary values are converting into numerical values means, so now in the unit digit multiplied with 2 power of 0, tens digit is 2 power of 1, next 2 square 2 cube multiplied by that. So if it is 2 square into 0 means that values will become 0. That equals to your 2 cube into multiplied with 1. That is nothing but that value will become 8. So that first value will become 8. So similarly in the same second one also applying for 2 power of 0, 2 power of 1, 2 square, 2 power of 3. So 2 power of 3 means, so these two values will get cancelled. 2 cube into 1 is nothing but 8 plus 2 power of 0 value 1. 1 into 1 is nothing but 1. So that value will become 9. So next, what is the third one? Apply here 2 power of 0, 2 power of 1, 2 square, 2 cube and 2 power of 4. 2 power of 4. Okay, so now here all zeros should be cancelled. Why? Because 0 into anything value will become 0. 2 power of 4 into 1 is nothing but that value will become 16. So next fourth one is 2 power of 0, 2 power of 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power of 4. So now here this zeros will be cancelled. Then 2 power of 4 into 1 is nothing but 16 plus 2 cube is 8 into 1 is nothing but 8 plus 2 power of 0 is 1 into 1 is nothing but 1. So that equals to, that value will become 25. Okay, once you observe here, if it is 8 is nothing but 2 cube and 9 is nothing but 3 square, 16 is nothing but 4 square, 25 is nothing but 5 square. So now here 2 cube, otherwise first you need to write 8, 9, 16, 25. So this can be written as, this is 2 cube, 3 square, and next 16 means 4 square, it is 5 square. So this 9, 16, 25 are these all are called as perfect squares except 8. 8 is called as perfect cube. So 8 is first one, means first one is the odd one out, children. So next, similarly in the fifth question is 7 plus square root of 343. Okay, and again here 8 plus square root of 512, and again 11 plus square root of 121 plus 6 plus square root of 216. But actually here 7 plus, but in that inside what will be there? That is nothing but 7 cube. 7 plus root of 7 cube. Okay, 8 plus root of 8 cube will be, 11 plus root of 11 square will be, 6 plus under square root of 6 cube will be there. But inside square root all perfect cubes will be there. But again this third option is perfect square will be. So that's why that is the. So next sixth question is 17 by 19, 23 by 29 and 31 by 41 and 43 by 47. So actually here 17 and 19 are prime numbers and all are prime numbers only. But except here 17 and 19 means these are called as successive prime numbers. 23 and 29 successive prime numbers. 31 and 41. Okay, these are alternative prime numbers. 43 and 47, these are also successive prime numbers. So alternate prime numbers are 3 options, that is odd one out. So once I can see here, again similarly if it is in the ratio are given 41 and 47, in between what is the prime number is missing? 43. So that's why these are called as alternative prime numbers. So similarly 37 and 39 means here 41 is missing. So these are also called as alternate prime number. If it is 23 and 29, there is no missing, means this is called as successive prime numbers. 17 and 19, 23 means 19 is prime number is missing. So this is called as alternate prime numbers. So actually now here, but here 3 from alternate prime numbers and 1 from successive prime numbers. So that answer is 3. So that answer is 3. So next you go for 8th one. So 8th one is, so first you observe the cat 24, mat 34 and rat 39 and cot 39. First of all give, but letters are given means first of all give numbering. So C3 A1 T20, 3 plus 1 plus 20 is nothing but how much you will get? Sum of the numbers equal to 24. Suppose M13 A1 plus T20, how much you will get? You will get 34. Suppose R18 A1 plus T20. So the sum of the numbers of 19 plus 20 means 39 will come. Suppose if it is C 3 plus O is 15 plus T is 20. So how much it is? 18 plus 2 is nothing but 38. But here 39 is given. That's why fourth one is the odd one out. నచ్చినట్లయితే కంపల్సరీగా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి, వెల్ విషర్స్కి. అలానే పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ సింబల్ యాక్టివేట్ చేసుకుంటే నా నెక్స్ట్ నోటిఫికేషన్స్ అనేవి మీ మొబైల్స్కి వస్తాయి ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఓకే, అంటిల్ కీప్ వాచింగ్ మై ఛానల్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఐ విష్ యూ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.